What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S21. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flashlight on and off on this Samsung Galaxy S21, and then I'll talk about a couple little settings on how to adjust brightness and that sort of thing. So the first thing we're going to want to do is start off by just, going to your home screen, and from here we're going to pull from the top down. I usually start from the blackened portion and I pull all the way down, and in here we'll see that there is a flashlight icon that looks like that. If you're not seeing that, pull down one more time and you will get a larger list of little shortcuts that you're able to use. If you don't see it in there as well, you can go ahead and pan over and look through this. If it's not there, hit this plus icon and look for it there. It should be labeled as the flashlight. So once you're able to see that, how to turn it on and off is you just select it and deselect it. Let's say it's in this shorter menu. Same thing, you just select the icon on and off and it turns that flashlight on and off. If you want to adjust the brightness of your flashlight, which is really cool, press and do more of like a long hold, just a couple seconds, press and hold, and it should take you to this screen. On this screen, you can turn that flashlight on and off, but it also gives you the option to change the level of your brightness. So as you guys could see kind of in the background, as I'm dropping it down, you guys could see that brightness change to different levels of brightness, from being dim to being ultimate bright. And then here on the last two levels of the brightness, it says the camera light may cause low temperature burns when in prolonged contact with the skin. Avoid leaving flashlight turned on for an extended period. So you guys kind of get that little warning message, and just like that, once you have it set and hit done, and at that point it's just going to be on the brightest one every time you turn it on. Or let's say you want it on the dimmest one, you can switch it over. Well, it has to be on, and then you switch it over, and from there it's on, and it's just going to be on the dimmest option that it has. So just like that, a quick tutorial on how to turn your flashlight on and off and how to adjust the brightness on the flashlight for the Samsung Galaxy S21. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you know anybody who might be looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a nice day.